Alright, so it's the night before our big day. And I just came from Target. I went to go get some water. And here, let me show you. I just went to go get a case of water so we can wash ourselves off. We're going to the beach tomorrow. I got some waffles for breakfast in the morning, and I'm probably, when I get home, I'm going to have to clear out the trunk so we can fit our beach stuff. I think the kids kind of know. I didn't really tell them what day, because if you tell them what day we're going, and then we don't end up going, that's going to be a whole thing. So they know we're going, they just don't know that it's tomorrow. It's about to storm, so I'm trying to hurry up and get home before it storms. It feels so good before it storms. It's so breezy. Look at the wind. Hold on, look at the trees. You see the trees? You see how breezy they are? It's about to storm. So let me hurry up and get home. I'll probably see you guys in the morning because, like I said, this is the night before and I'm just trying to prep and get some stuff done before. Hey guys, okay, it's the next day. Welcome back to another episode of the LL&Me Show. I'm your host, Brianna, and today we're going
to the beach! Road trip! Luca, when people say let's hit the road, it doesn't mean that...
together in your hands first. Try to make it dissolve as much as you can. Before I do a rub down, let's do a quick fit check.
And if I rub it,
Keep rubbing, keep rubbing. I'm putting all this on in the garage because every time we do it at the beach, we just get sand all over us. I'm putting it on his head too.
on my head?
Can your scalp get sunburned?
I don't think so.
I feel like the answer is yes. Putting it all over his head. And his forehead, and his nose, his mouth, and his neck. Ready?
Yes.
High five. Let's go. I have sunscreen oil. See that?
Ooh.
It feels so good. It's sunscreen, but it's an oil. It's by Kylie. It's so old. I have the old one, but this stuff is the truth. I don't know if you peeped my heart-shaped shades, but these are one of my favorite pair. And I don't know if you can tell, but I also have heart-shaped stud earrings.
Okay, Luca.
Yes?
How do you feel today?
Happy.
What are you going to do today?
Eat. Play with sand and have some fun in the water.
Oh, look, people.
No.
No, he did not say he wants to eat the sand. He said he wants to play with the sand. The beach is that way.
I can see the beach. The beach.
Look at this thing, it's so cool. Yes, we got it. And that's not the ocean. That's the Gulf of Mexico.
Guys, is it the Gulf of Mexico or America? They changed it, right? Nope, it's America.
Definitely
The
not.
Gulf of America. Just deal with it. It says kids don't float. But I'd like to test that theory. Do you think you can float?
Where?
Over there.
In the water?
Yes. Okay. Now we need to set up shop. Should I put... I think I need a taller tripod. Actually... Alright, I'm hot. I think it's time to get in the water. No, clean up your toys. Whose shoes are those? Neatly. You're not just going to throw them. The water's a bit cloudy just because it's been storming for the past 2 weeks straight. So it's not as clear. Right, says the guy who doesn't want a life jacket. He's screaming. I'm sure there's no fish, and if there are, we can't see them. But let's try. Let's try to go diving. I don't know. Could you see fish? I remember those. Swimming in the ocean. Come on, Luca. He's scared. Hi.
Hi, we're in Florida and at the beach. No. Hello, and we're in the beach. We love it.
You swimming?
Yes.
Wow. You're not scared?
If we go too deep, I'm gonna be scared.
We are deep. Look at how far you are from the shore. I just stepped on a big rock or
I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
Oh, wow, wow.
Natural exfoliation. Oh, there's the sun. It decided to come out for a little while longer. Guess we'll go for another dip. One more dip. I'm getting kind of sleepy. So are these guys.
No, we're not sleepy.
Look at that reflex.
We are not sleepy at all.
He just walked all over our sand-free blanket with his sandy feet. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be coming to the beach alone next time. I'm ready to go home. It's time to go. It is time to go. Guys, my phone overheated. I'm literally on my iPad now. Bear with me, I am struggling with this phone. We're about to eat. I made some chicken sandwiches. Logan said he wanted some Cheez-Its, but I don't know how I'm going to get him those Cheez-Its because there's no paper towels and he has sand all over his hands. So maybe Luca and I are going to share these. Well, maybe I can use this aluminum foil as their plates. These sandwiches are not soggy. What I think the key was, I wrapped them before I put them in the cooler. I wrapped them in aluminum foil. I wrapped the Ziploc bag in aluminum foil, and by doing that, I don't know, it helped out a lot. That's Luca's, and then for me, I don't think I need a plate. Guys, next time I come to the beach, I'm coming by myself. Kids, it's just too much. For me, all I need is a towel and a water bottle and my phone and or my camera, and I'm good. But these guys need a whole entourage, 15 snacks, 17 sandwiches, and then when we get here, they're still complaining about how they want more things and more toys and more this and more that. So the only way to respond to that is to give them less. Logan's literally back here falling asleep.
No, I'm not. I'm not falling asleep.
He was doing the Fenty fold. I've been drinking watermelon. Somebody needs a bathroom break. And The beach is pretty much about to close for the day. We're tired. I think it's almost 6. I think they close at 8, but 8 or 9. I think 8 because sunsets around 8:15, 8:30. So I think the beach closes at 8. I'm so tired. Both my devices overheated, my phone and my tablet. I'm back on my phone now. It cooled down a little bit, but we are ready. We're ready to go. I know I am. Logan. Policia. I don't know the police road ATVs. It's pretty cool.
Yes, I want to stay at the beach.
Hot, darling. Very hot. The palm tree, he has to touch it. He just has to touch all the palm trees.
I don't really try to regular touch it.
I'm ready to go. Community shower. We need to wash our feet off. Ocean water was actually warm today. Not what I was expecting. Very warm. So I'm happy that those community showers came in handy. This guy, I think this guy likes the showers more than the ocean.
I love it because it's super cold.
Okay, can we let other people use it? Sorry. Wow, that was a day. We had so much fun. We just finished cleaning ourselves up. We're just going for a walk down the beach highway just so we can dry off. We're just about to walk into the middle of the street. Did you look both ways? No. That's why I said stay close to your parents. Do you want to tell them if you had fun or not?
Yes. I had very fun playing with the sand and eating food and playing in the water. But only thing, some water got in my nose, my mouth, and my eyes.
What did you do?
It burned it salted in my mouth, burned in my nose, and burned in my eyes.
Burned it?
Yes, it burned in 2 of those
Burned.
things. It burned in 2 of those things.
And what about you, Logan? Did you have fun?
Yes. I sure did.
What did you do that was fun?
Got seashells?
Not seashells. What else? You said you played in the sand.
Yes.
What else?
Played in the water. And that's pretty much it.
All right, guys. Well, that is the end of our show. We're going to end out the show right here. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and join the family. We would love to have you. Don't forget to respect yourself. Don't forget to respect your elders. And until next time, people, take care. God bless and have a greater life.
Bye bye. Subscribe to our video.
All right, come on.
Like this video.